So I have a customer with a Subaru that has the dreaded P0420 code, catalytic converter. I already changed his oxygen sensors with new Denso ones. Still has the P0420, so he needs a cat and can't afford the expensive original equipment Subaru one. So I was like, well, we can try getting you an aftermarket one. They're cheap, they're not very good, but they'll get you through inspection. So I get the cat in, and inside the thing, it's got this. If you look at the original cat, you know, there's nothing where the O2 sensor goes in the back. This one has this cylinder inside, which looks very much like one of these, which is a little gadget used to spoof the rear O2 sensor into thinking the cat's working. Problem is, some customers don't want this on their car, and some inspection stations see that and they'll fail it. So the eBay sellers have now put the thing inside where it's hidden from view. You know, it's up to you if you want to try using one of these, but I'm guessing that the cat probably has little to no PGM metals in it, and it's relying on this stupid collar in there to spoof the sensor. I'm going to return this. My customer doesn't want this, and we're going to try to find him one that doesn't have this, or maybe some other alternative to get him through inspection. Anyway, just watch what you're buying.